guys, it's Sparkle Spice, and today we have a magical microwave and blender. Let's see what happens when we put some different things in our microwave. Let's start with this red strawberry. Let's cut it in half and then put it in. Be very careful. I cut it into 2 pieces. Now we can put it in our microwave. Let's get our microwave open. We'll set our strawberry inside. Closing it. And let's get it cooking. Oh, let's see what we got in here. Whoa, it popped right out. What is this? It's a red Crayola bath gel pen. Let's see how it looks when we write with it. I'll twist the cap and then see how it works. Let's see. Whoa, that is so much fun. Super cool. Let's get something else in our microwave. How about this nice juicy green pear? I'll just slice it up with my knife in 2 pieces. Yum. All right, let's put it in the microwave and see what comes out. We'll open our door and in it goes. Ready to cook up. Oh, let's see what we got this time. It rolled out again. It's a green Crayola bath gel pen. Twist it open. Let's see how this green one looks. Wow, it's really light and kind of see-through. That is so much fun to do. Let's see what happens when we put these purple grapes inside of our microwave. They're much bigger, but I can still cut them in half. Wow. All right, my purple grapes are going in the microwave. There you go. You stay put. And off we go. Okay, what's in our microwave this time? Oh, right, a purple Crayola bath gel pen. I can't wait to try it out. I just have to twist open the top. Let's see what the purple looks like. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, it's kind of clear like the green. So easy to use and really pretty. Now I've got this orange egg to put inside of my microwave. Let's crack it open, see if anything's inside. Oh, it's empty. All right, well, in the microwave you go. Let's see. In goes a cracked egg. What will come out? Okay, let's see what happened. Hey, our egg got put back together again. Huh, I wonder if anything's inside of it. Let's listen. I don't really hear anything. Let's crack the egg open and see if anything's inside. Oh my goodness, what is this? It's like a real little egg. Do you see that yolk inside? It's floating around. How cool is that? Now we're gonna put this Rocky inside of our microwave, but he's not ready quite yet. I'm gonna put this McDonald's hat on him. Doesn't that look cute? All right, Rocky, in the microwave you go. Are you ready to have some fun in there? Okay, here you go. Oh, look who it is. Ah, somebody get me out of here. I don't like small spaces. Oh, okay, Rocky, don't worry. I'll get you out of there. Oh, sorry about that. But you sure do look cute as a little mer pup. I see your little fin back here. how about you show us how you swim? All right, let's see you swim. Whoa, look how cool he looks swimming in the water. That's so neat, Rocky. I love the way you use that merpup tail to paddle your way around. Now let's put some M&Ms on our blender and see what we get. Here's some blue M&Ms and some yellow ones, green, orange, red, and brown. Let's put on the lid and mix them up. Alright, well let's try those M&Ms in our microwave. I'll just take them out of the blender and pour them into our cup. Alright, they're so colorful. Into the microwave they're gonna go. Right there. Okay, let's see what we get. What did we get from our magical microwave? Oh, wow, look at this. It's a Series 2 My Little Pony Squishy Pop. Can't wait to see who it is. Let's get it open. All right, got it. And I can just pull this open. Oh my goodness, I feel so lucky. We got a crystal Pinkie Pie. Oh wow, she is so translucent and I can see the two different color pinks. Let's try her out and see if she pops. I'll try her here. And here. And here. Look at Pinkie Pie stick to our microwave. Alright, we're gonna take our little heart and put it back into our microwave. Let's see. Oh, look at that! We got our M&Ms back. Looks like we get to have a tasty treat. Let's start with this lime. The lime is green. I'm gonna use a knife, it's just a toy knife, to cut them in half. Now it's in 2 pieces. Let's put it in the microwave and see what happens. In you go. And we'll just set our timer. Oh my goodness, let's see what we've got. What did we get from our magic microwave? It's a Crayola bath gel crayon. So much fun, let's see how it works. I'll twist the cap open. Let's give it a try and see how it works. Wow, look at that bright green color. It flows out so pretty. It was so much fun to do our lime. How about we try this orange? It's funny that the color is the same thing as what the fruit is called, orange. We'll slice it in half too. There we go, 2 parts. Now let's put it in our microwave. Open the door. Whoops. Okay, in you go, little orange. What did we get from our orange? Wow, we got a Crayola bath gel that's in an orange color, and it's the shape of a crayon. Let's twist this cap open and try it out. Let's see what our orange looks like. Ooh, it's kind of see-through too. It's a really bright orange and so easy to squeeze. Now let's try this Just Like Home cereal box. It's in a blue box, and it even has a nutrition label on the side. That's so neat. Let's see what happens when this goes into the microwave. In you go. All right, time to see some magic. What did we get from the cereal box? We got a blue Crayola gel marker. So exciting! Alright, we just have to twist it open. And now we're ready to test out a fun blue color. Let's see our blue. Oh wow, it's such a pretty blue, like the ocean. So much fun. Now I've got a little Zuma here, and he's not quite ready to go into the microwave yet. I'm gonna put this cute little red McDonald's hat on him. I think he looks super spiffy like that. Okay, Zuma is going into our microwave now. And of course, it's just because it's pretend toys, so it's not a real pet. Here we go, Zuma. Get ready. Oh wow, look who it is. Hey, someone help me get out of here. It's so hot, I can't take it anymore. Oh no, Zuma, I'm coming. Don't worry, I'll get you out of there. Oh, that microwave's not for pups, is it? No, it's not. Wow, look at our Zuma merpup. He's got such a cute little mer tail. I bet it would be fun to see how he swims in the water. All right, let's see Zuma swimming in the water. Whoa, look at Zuma go. He is an excellent swimmer. We know he really loves the water, so that's not a surprise. Go, Zuma, go. All right, let's try our blender with some jelly beans. It's blue. And now red. And green. Yellow. Orange. And purple. Let's put the top on and mix it around to see what happens. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, so colorful, like a rainbow. Let's get it put in our microwave and see what happens. Here's our cup for our jelly beans. In they go. Everybody. Now we'll get our jelly beans in the microwave. Let's open up our door and set them in. Wonder what we'll get from our jelly beans. Oh man, what did we get from our jelly beans? Some kind of surprise. It's a My Little Pony Squishy Pop from Series 2. Let's see what pony we got. Okay, who's it gonna be? Oh my goodness, do you see who it is? It's Pinkie Pie, and it's a crystal Pinkie Pie. She's clear, but I can still see the dark pink in her tail and mane. She's super fun. Let's try to make her pop. Wow, let's try it on the microwave. Super fun, she sticks. Okay, something special for our microwave now. I'm gonna put all of our food into the microwave and see what happens. In they go. It's kind of cramped in there now. Oh wow, look at that! We got our jelly beans back. Guess it's time for a tasty snack. Well guys, that's it for this video. It was so much fun playing with our magic blender and microwave. Does anybody remember which 3 colors we used to write on our table with the magic gel pens? Let me know in the comment section if you remember. And if you'd like more magical microwaves and blenders, be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye! Thanks for watching this episode of the Sparkle Spice channel. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new. Also, make sure to come back for more fun videos. Thanks for commenting, and I'll see you in the next one. See what we got in here. Whoa, it pops right out. What is this? It's a red Crayola bath gel pen. Let's see how it looks when we write with it. I'll twist the cap and then see how it works. Let's see. What team are you on? Max, Duke, Gidget, Chloe, Snowball, or Mel? Let me know in the comment section. Let's start cooking with our microwave and see what surprises we get. We'll start with this mesh and teal slime ball. First it's teal, and when you squeeze it, it's green. So fun! Into the microwave. Whoa, what did we get? Now we have an orange slime ball. What happens when I squeeze it? Ooh, yellow. Let's see it again. Starts out orange. Now yellow. All right, let's see if we can make it give us another surprise. Whoa, what do we have here? Now we have a purple slime ball. What color will we see when we squeeze it? Pink. Very cool. Back into the microwave. Wow, what do we have now? This time it's green. What will it be when we squeeze? Blue! Green and now blue. Super cool. Here we go again. Wow, what did we get? It's a Paw Patrol mashup. This is Rocky. Now let's see what it looks like when we put all the slime balls together. Whoa, blue, yellow, green, and pink. So cool. Which slime ball is your favorite? The orange, green, purple, or blue? Let me know in the comment section. Red hat on Chase. Yellow hat on Chase. Yellow goggles on Sky. Green goggles on Sky. Pink hat on Marshall. Blue hat on Marshall. Orange hat on Marshall. Hey, here he is. Shh. Okay. Oh, hey, wow, what is this? What's going on here? Oh, gross. This is so disgusting. Ha, we got him. Oh, hey, PJ Masks. What do you want, Romeo? Oh, I just want to play with a new Gumball dispenser with you guys. Should we let him, Catboy? Okay, just this once. He seems to be pretty nice today. Alright, we've got this super cool Gumball tower maze. It comes out and goes left or right and left down a little maze pattern. So neat. I think we should get this out and get it put together. Let's do it. Alright, our Gumball machine is out of the box. Let's go ahead and get the gumballs in so we can see this thing at work. Alright, looks like you just twist off the top and we'll take the paper out of it. And it came with this bag of gumballs, so we'll just get that opened up. I just made a little snip with my scissors. But I don't know about you, that's not quite full enough for me. Thankfully, I've got some other gumballs here that I can fill it up with. Hopefully they don't spill everywhere. Whoa, my cup broke. Alright, I think we're locked in. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Okay, let's see how this thing works. Alright, let's give it a turn and see how it works. There goes one! Whoa! How fun! That was a purple one. Let's see it close up again. Alright. There goes a white one! That is so fun to watch. Oh, and another white one. Here comes a purple. Oh, let's see if we can get some other colors. Another white, do you believe it? And another one. Whoops, that one got stuck. Here's a blue. Oh, and it fell off. And a green. It's fun to watch it go down the maze. And orange. Now pink. Oh, I don't know why it falls off there sometimes. We'll just put it back in. Alright, we're ready to play our Gumball game. It's Team PJ Masks versus Romeo. Which team are you on? Are you Team PJ Masks or Team Romeo? Let me know in the comment section. So here's how we'll play. I'll turn our Gumball machine so that we get 10 gumballs. And the blue gumballs will go to Catboy, green gumballs will go to Gecko, red gumballs go to Owlette, and all the other colors will go to Romeo. Whoever gets the most gumballs wins the game. Let's get started. Here I go, turning our machine. Oh, our first one is purple. And orange. Now blue. Red. Whoa, our red's trying to get away. Pink. Yellow. Blue. Yellow. Orange. And our last one's purple. Let's divide them up and see who got the most. Alright, our first one's purple, which doesn't match our PJ Masks, so it goes to Romeo. Same with the orange one. Here's blue. That's for Catboy. Red for Owlette. Pink doesn't match PJ Masks, so it goes to Romeo. Yellow's for Romeo too. Uh-oh, he's doing pretty good so far. Now we've got orange, again for Romeo. And purple. And a yellow. And our last one is blue. That's for Catboy. So let's count up how much each team has. For PJ Masks, we have 1, 2, 3 gumballs. And Romeo has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Romeo won the gumball game. Ooh, red gumballs for me? Yummy! Wasn't that gumball machine so much fun? Yeah, Owlette, but I think you're talking with your mouth full and spilling some out. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, you're doing it again. Whoops, my mistake. I can't stop. Maybe I should put some of this on Romeo. Yeah, great idea. Let's sneak up on him. Hey, here he is. Shh. Okay. Oh, hey, wow, what is this? What's going on here? Oh, gross. This is so disgusting. Ha, we got him. How do you like that, Romeo? Oh, this is so gross. Somebody stop her. Hey, I can't see. I can't see. Well, that's a little better.